Conversation between two friends about online studies.
Hello, Scott. Hello, Sam. How are you? I am all right, Scott. Are you enjoying studying online? To be honest, Scott, I am not enjoying it much. Why? What happened? I am having a lot of troubles. Internet speed is not so good in my house. That's why I am not able to attend online classes well. Yes, dude, there's a problem with the network. I don't understand anything. I miss school a lot. Students make a lot of noise in online classes. Sometimes I don't understand what madam says. I don't know when the school will open, and we will sit in the class again and study. I am also missing the days of having fun and pranks in the class. I miss my all friends. So do I.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.